making this roll cake, we need biscuit, milk, melted butter, and coffee. I use Nescafe Gold coffee. First, you crush the biscuit using a food processor. Then you mix together milk, butter, and coffee and mix well. Pour the butter mixture into the biscuit and mix until well combined. Knead the biscuit dough until you get the texture like on my video, and put the biscuit dough on the baking paper and you roll out. Roll out and flatten the dough a little bit bigger because you want to make a roll cake, so you can roll the dough later. Cut the edge of the dough so you can get the same size of the dough. Take out the edge of the dough and put in the middle. Roll out again until flat. Now we make the filling. I use mascarpone cheese and mix with the sugar. Mix really well. And add desiccated coconut. And you mix well again. Add Nutella on the dough and spread evenly. Add the cheese mixture on the top of the Nutella and you spread evenly. Now you can roll the cake. Then you wrap the cake with the baking paper. Then keep in the fridge for 1 hour. After 1 hour, you open the baking paper. Then cut the edge of the cake on the both sides. You see this beautiful roll cake from the biscuit and coffee. Sprinkle with powdered sugar, or you can make another decoration, for example with the melting chocolate or whatever you want for the decoration. I choose powdered sugar for this cake. Now I will cut and try this cake. I will tell you how is the taste. Oh my god, that tastes really good. Can you imagine the combination between coffee, Nutella and the coconut? The coffee smells good, tastes good. You have to try this, trust me. Thanks for watching. See you for the next recipe. Take care, bye.